Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can lock YouTube on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV or your smart TV. You'd like to lock your YouTube. For example, you see here YouTube is not locked, and if I press enter on YouTube, it's going to open without asking for a password. So if you want to lock your YouTube, or if you want to lock YouTube on your smart TV, all you're going to do is go to settings and then you go to system. After getting to system, what we are going to use is parental control. So you're going to go to system, then you go to parental control, and on getting to parental control, you're going to go to app lock. So here you're going to set your parental control password. If you have it already set, you're going to input your password, then you activate the lock function. You see, it brings the lock function, you activate it and you scroll down, then you go to app lock, and here you're going to select any app you want to lock. For example, I want to lock YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you what you do is you go to YouTube and press OK, and it's going to lock your YouTube. And if I press home and I go back to my home screen, YouTube is going to be having the lock icon showing that it is locked, and someone to access it must input the password in order to access YouTube. So if you want to lock some of the apps or some of the functions on your TV, this will be helpful. For example, you see YouTube is locked, and all I have to do is input my password and YouTube will be able to open. And that's how you lock your YouTube app on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV or your smart TV. You go to settings, go to system, then you go to parental control, and you're going to go to app lock, and you're going to select YouTube, then you lock it. That's how you lock your YouTube. As you see, I go to app lock and then I select YouTube, so I can lock it or unlock it. And after locking it, if I go back home, this will need my password in order to open. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.